everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to enable voice chat in Honor of Kings step by step. If you want to talk to your teammates during battles, then voice chat makes teamwork much easier, and it is pretty easy to enable voice chat in Honor of Kings. First of all, launch open Honor of Kings game on your device and wait for it to load. Once you end up in the official homepage of Honor of Kings, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right corner. From the settings menu that appears on the screen, go ahead and tap on the sound option from the left-hand side menu. From the sound menu that appears on the screen, tap on the switch right in front of Enable under voice chat. Now, you can go ahead and adjust the volume for the voice chat. Go ahead and make necessary adjustments. Make sure that you've enabled the microphone input option as well. And once you have these settings turned on, you'll be able to turn on voice chat feature. The first time you enable voice chat, your device will ask for microphone permission. Tap on allow so the game can use your microphone. Once you are done with these changes, exit the settings menu and your preferences will be saved automatically. Enter any game mode. Once the match starts, you should be able to communicate with your team. That's how you easily enable voice chat feature in Honor of Kings. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.